Happy New Year, developers! New year, new commits. And today, we're fixing one of JavaScript's most annoying date traps. If you've ever created a date using the date constructor with three numbers, year, month, and day, here's the catch. JavaScript months are zero-based. That means January is month 0, February is month 1, and so on. This is why people accidentally shift dates by a month without noticing. For example, many developers write new date 2026-1-1, thinking it means January 1st, 2026, but it actually becomes February 1st. Yep, 1 is February. So what do teams do today to avoid this mess? Usually one of two approaches. First option, if your API gives months as 1 to 12, subtract 1 before creating the date. So January becomes 0, February becomes 1, and the date constructor behaves as expected. It's not fancy, but it's clear and it works everywhere. Second option, use an ISO date string like 2026-01-01 and let JavaScript parse it. This approach is widely supported and avoids the month index math. For example, you can do new date 2026-01-01 and then print it with toDate string. But here's an important detail many people miss. A date-only ISO string like year-month-day is interpreted as UTC internally, while a date and time string without a time zone offset is treated as local time. That web-compat behavior can cause surprising results when users are in different time zones. So if your app is global, it's worth being intentional about what date means in your system. Now for the fun part, the clean, human way. Temporal is the modern date and time API designed to replace date. With Temporal, months are 1 to 12, like a real calendar, and the objects are immutable, which makes code safer and easier to reason about. So January 1st, 2026 becomes Temporal.PlainDate 2026-1-1. No subtracting 1, no guessing, no silent month shifts. Quick reality check though. Temporal is still not available everywhere. It's supported in newer versions of Chrome and Edge and in newer Firefox versions, but it's not supported in Safari and iOS Safari yet. So here's the professional approach. Feature detect and fall back. If Temporal.PlainDate exists, use it. If it doesn't, fall back. A safe format, usually an ISO date for APIs and logs, so your data stays correct even without Temporal. And if you want temporal behavior everywhere today, you can use a temporal polyfill in environments that don't support it yet. That's it. New year, fewer date bugs. Comment 2026 and I'll share the full snippet, including the fallback and polyfill setup. And tell me your worst JavaScript date bug story. I know you've got one.